Got another install here for a construction company. We installed the Phoenix Canon 360 in the headlight buckets. We put the 4-inch sound off fascia lights in the grill, and then also up on the ladder rack you can see there's another 4-inch M-Power on each side. Now to the back. Alright, walking to the back, we have 4 more M-Powers. One down here on the body. The construction company actually had pre-drilled some holes in the body of this for a different set of lights, so that's why there's some silicone holes there. Another 4-inch M-Power. Phoenix AM900 work light. Same thing on the other side. There's our website, y'all. And then of course the M-Power down here. And then what you can't see is the backup alarm that's back up underneath the bottom here. We also did a repair on those high mount lights. For some reason, a company that builds this flatbed body, the Moritz, they had their power and ground backwards on the stop tail turns. Alright, so let's turn this thing on. Alright, so we're in the cab now, and everything is controlled by the upfitter switches. It's just ease of use for this company. So what we did was we have warning to the front on switch 1, warning to the rear on switch 2, and then I'll show you what 3 and 4 do here in a minute. Alright, so there we have the front end. For those of you guys on the Sound Off Facebook page that were asking me about the X pattern, here's your X pattern, guys. So you got the 4-inch M-Powers in there synchronized in an X pattern, and then the Canon 360s in the headlight buckets there firing away. We decided to go with the 360 just because of the way the strobe tubes that were previously mounted in there were situated. The headlight illuminates a lot better with the 360. You wouldn't think it would, but it does. Alright, so let's head to the back. Alright guys, so here we are in the back. And again, we matched up the X pattern back here in a dual color amber white configuration. Now this is a construction company out of Ohio. Since we do work in the tri-state area, these guys are over one state over from us, but they are allowed amber white, and they are allowed white to the rear. Their state stipulates that they can use it, and being that these guys do a lot of highway work, they like the white to make them noticeable when their guys are on the side of the road. Alright guys, so back here in the cab, let's go ahead and throw switch 3 and 4, and I'll show you what those do. So there's switch number 3. It's a full steady burn, all 6 lights to the front. As you can see, the 4 M-Powers are steady burn white, and so are the Canon 360s in that headlight bucket. Just like the warning, we split up the control for the white, so that if these guys are working in the front or working in the back, they can control them separate. They can have warning to the front while having steady burn white to the rear, or vice versa. All right, let's head on to the back. Of course, we'll show you our sticker one more time. All right, so there we go. Steady burn white to the back, which also ties in the Phoenix AM 900 work lights. If you guys are in the Pittsburgh or the tri-state area and you guys are looking to get your vehicles upfitted, give us a call, 412-708-6732. Or you can always visit our website, www.eliteledwarnings.com. You can also shoot our sales staff an email at sales@412psecustoms.com. And this is just one of many trucks that we're doing for this company. I'm going to go deliver this to them now and pick up another truck that we have to get done. So stay tuned for some more professional builds. And these guys in particular are in love with the M-Power lights by Soundoff. They love the gel lens, indestructible idea behind them. Real soon on a couple of these trucks you're going to see the 4x2 being used. And we got a couple En-ROADS mini light bars going on. So stay tuned.